Hey everybody, welcome to Cash Mojo. Today I'm going to show you free YouTube tricks that will generate you more passive income. Make sure to watch until number 1 because this trick will blow your mind. Also, at the end of the video, we have something special that will skyrocket your YouTube business, so stick around. Before we get started, be sure to like and subscribe and turn on the notifications, and let's get straight into the video. Number 10, use YouTube's built-in tools to create better videos. If you're like most people, you probably watch a lot of videos on YouTube, but have you ever thought about using YouTube's built-in tools to create better videos of your own? With a little effort, you can significantly improve the quality of your videos and make them more engaging for your viewers. One of the best ways to improve your videos is to use YouTube's annotations tool. Annotations allow you to add text, links, and other interactive elements to your videos. This can be used to provide additional information about your video's content or to link to others' relevant videos or websites. By making use of annotations, you can make your videos more informative and interactive and keep viewers engaged for longer. Another useful tool is YouTube's captions feature. Captions allow you to automatically add subtitles to your videos. This can be helpful for viewers who are hard of hearing or who speak a different language from the one in which your video is filmed. Captions can also be used to transcribe spoken dialogue, making it easier for viewers to follow along. Adding captions to your videos can help to make them more accessible and enjoyable for a wider audience. With these tips in mind, you'll be on your way to YouTube success. Number 9. Add closed captions and subtitles to your videos. If you're looking to make your YouTube videos more accessible to a wider audience, you may want to consider adding closed captions or subtitles. Closed captions are text files that contain a transcript of the audio portion of your video. They can be used by viewers who are deaf or have difficulty hearing. Subtitles, on the other hand, are text files that contain a translation of the dialogue in your video. They can be used by viewers who don't speak the same language as the video's dialogue. Both closed captions and subtitles can be added to your videos using YouTube's captioning tool. The tool allows you to create caption files manually or upload existing ones. You can also specify the language of your captions or subtitles, as well as customize their font and color. So if you're looking to make your YouTube video more accessible, adding closed captions or subtitles is a great way to do it. Number 8, create video playlists for your audience. If you're looking to engage your audience and keep them coming back for more, creating video playlists is a great way to do it. YouTube makes it easy to put together a playlist of your videos, and you can even share playlists with other users. Plus, creating a playlist allows you to control the order in which your videos are seen, so you can put your best foot forward. When creating a playlist, it's important to keep your audience in mind. What kind of videos are they likely to be interested in? How much time do they have to watch? Once you've answered these questions, you can start putting together your playlist. If you're not sure where to start, try picking a theme for your playlist and then selecting videos that fit that theme. For example, if you run a cooking channel, you can create a playlist of your favorite recipes or tips for cooking beginners. Whatever approach you take, remember that playlists are all about giving your audience what they want. So take some time to browse YouTube and see what other users are doing with their playlists. Then get creative and put together something that will keep your viewers coming back for more. Number 7, embed videos in blog posts and other websites. YouTube videos can be a great way to add interest and visual content to your blog posts and website pages. In most cases, all you need to do is copy and paste the video URL into your blog post or webpage. Once the URL is in place, your video should automatically appear. You can then use the provided tools to adjust the size and placements of the video on your page. You can also add captions or other text overlays to your video. If you want more control over how your video appears on your site, you can embed the video using HTML code. This code will give you more control over the appearance of the video, but it may be more difficult to set up. Ultimately, whether you use a URL or HTML code will depend on the level of comfort and expertise. But regardless of which method you choose, adding a YouTube video to your site is a great way to engage your audience and add some visual interest to your content. And that's an additional traffic source, so that'll help your channel grow even more. Number 6, share your videos on social media sites like Twitter and Facebook. If you're looking to get your videos seen by more people, sharing them on social media sites like Twitter and Facebook is a great way to do it. When you share a video on Twitter or Facebook, it'll show up in the feed of all your followers, which means they're more likely to see and watch it. And if they like what they see, they might even share it with their own followers. which can help to increase your video's reach even further. Of course, you'll need to make sure that your videos are interesting and engaging enough to warrant being shared in the first place. In order to get maximum exposure for your videos, it's important to share them on social media sites like Twitter and Facebook. When you share a video on social media, you're not just posting a link, you're giving people a reason to click and watch. A well-crafted social media post can entice prospective viewers who might not otherwise know about your channel. And once they've watched your videos, they may be inspired to subscribe to your channel or even share the video with their own followers. But if you think you've got what it takes, sharing your video on Twitter and Facebook is a great way to get them seen by more people. Number 5. Translate your videos into other languages. If you're looking to expand your YouTube audience, one great way to do so is by translating your videos into other languages. Not only will this make your content more accessible to a wider audience, but it could also help you to rank higher in the search results. After all, YouTube is a global platform and there are many users who speak languages other than English. By translating your videos, you'll be able to reach a much larger audience and potentially increase your viewer count. Plus, it's a good way to show respect for your international viewers and let them know that you value their viewership. If you're not sure how to go about translating your videos, don't worry. There are plenty of resources available online that can help you get started. So why not give it a try? You might be surprised by the results. Add a watermark to your videos. If you create videos for YouTube, you may want to consider adding a watermark. A watermark is an image or text that appears in the corner of your video. You can use a watermark to help brand your videos and make them more recognizable. For example, you can use your channel logo or avatar as a watermark. Watermarks can also be used to provide viewers with additional information, such as your website address or social media handle. To add a watermark to your videos, simply go to the editor tab on your YouTube channel and select the watermark option. From there, you can upload an image or enter the text that will appear in your video. Adding a watermark is a quick and easy way to make your videos more distinctive and easier to identify. Number 3, monetize your videos with Google AdSense. Anyone who spent any time on YouTube has likely seen a video with ads before. These are called monetized videos, and they're a great way for YouTube creators to earn money from their content. Monetizing your YouTube videos with Google AdSense is a fairly straightforward process. First, you'll need to sign up for a Google AdSense account and link it to your YouTube channel. Then, you'll need to enable monetization for your videos and select the ad type that you want to display. Finally, you'll need to choose where your ads will appear in your videos. You can either have them overlaid on your video itself or display them as annotations. Once you've done all of that, you're ready to start earning money from your YouTube videos. Number 2, use YouTube's analytics to track viewer engagement and improve future content. As a YouTuber, it's important to track engagement metrics in YouTube analytics to see how viewers are interacting with your videos. These metrics can help you understand what's working well and what needs improvement. To find your engagement metrics, go to YouTube Analytics and click on View tabs. There, you'll see 3 main metrics: watch time, views, and average view duration. Watch time is the total amount of time that people have spent watching your videos. Views are the number of times people have watched your videos. Average view duration is the average amount of time that people spent watching your videos. To get more detailed insights, click on the Watch Time tab. There, you'll see 2 more engagement metrics: estimated minutes watched and average percentage of videos watched. Estimated minutes watched and average percentage of a video viewed. Estimated minutes watched is a total amount of time that people have spent watching your videos. Average percentage of a video viewed is the average percentage of a video that people have watched. These metrics can help you understand what type of content is most engaging for your audience and make sure that your future videos are successful. Before we get to number 1, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button, and I hope you're liking this video. Number 1, collaborate with other YouTubers. When it comes to YouTube, one of the best and fastest ways to grow your channel is to collaborate with other YouTubers. By doing this, not only will this help you reach a new audience, but it can also be a lot of fun. There are a few different ways to go about collaborating with others. One option is to simply guest star on each other's channel. This can be as simple as doing a quick video introduction or taking part in the Q&As. Another option is to produce a joint video. This could be anything from a challenge video to a skit or even an educational video. Whatever you choose, collaborating with others is a great way to build your YouTube following. and who knows, you might even make some new friends along the way. Now I want to invite you to this free YouTube training that will literally help you skyrocket your YouTube business and potentially see big results. Whether you're starting a faceless YouTube channel or personality channel, this will work for all types of channels. So if you're serious about starting YouTube, click the link in the description now. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos on making money online and much more. Check out this playlist of my top 10 videos for making passive income online, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.